flickering lights, false triggers, and delayed switching. These are not just annoyances, they are signs your lighting control needs attention. Issue number 1. The disco effect. If your new LED fixture is strobing, it is likely your old thermal photocell cannot handle the low-power LED driver. The fix? Upgrade to a lead-top electronic photocell. Issue number 2. False triggering. Passing car headlights can trick a sensor into thinking it's morning. This causes the lights to turn off dangerously at night. We solve this with smart delay logic. Our sensors wait 3 to 10 seconds to confirm if the light is real sunlight or just a passing car. Issue number 3. Delayed switching. If your lights stay on until noon, check the lens. Dust or bird droppings can block the light. A simple wipe down often restores perfect timing. Don't let environment or age compromise safety. Regular maintenance and the right hardware keep your city bright. For troubleshooting free lighting controls, trust LEDtop.
LEDtop, your flexible OEM or ODM partner for smarter lighting solutions.